My name is Bryan Mitchell. I graduated from Western Dakota Tech in 2005 from the Industrial Electronics program. Part of the electrical industry is always giving back to the younger generation. It really is a neat experience to be able to have that history here and those memories and be able to come back and still see some of the equipment that we used, but also being able to see the progression from where we were to where we are now. In relationship to being at our 50-year anniversary, I know some of the graduates that were going through this program when it was still up in Sturgis. So compared to where it was, where back then it was more or less a self-study type of a thing, it's no longer really applicable for a student to be able to start and run through a course without any instruction, because the technological advances are so extreme from where we started with just being able to wire up a light and turn it on with a switch, to now you have to actually sit down with a computer and understand what's happening inside of the computer, what's happening inside of the system. That whole technology jump has kind of forced us to move from more self-study to being actually instructor-led, and here you have to sit down and we have to go through this together for you to be able to understand this. When you're talking about a lesson that you remember learning, and now that you've gone through that, you see how the students are where you were, and knowing what you know now, you can actually see when that literal light bulb comes on. It's really a great experience. What I see in the future of the program is we have to continue to strive to meet the current technology in the industry. We have to stay in front of the curve to maintain our validity in the industry. So for us to be able to continue to push that envelope and get the new technology in here for our students to learn on is just very important. What sets Western Dakota Tech apart from other schools is we just have the passion. Each one of the instructors, including myself, has so much passion for instruction and for the electrical industry that we just take that passion and we drive our students, and they feed off of that. They feed off of what we bring to the table and where they see the program going, and it's a cumulative effect where everybody is working toward the common good, which is having good quality students. We go the distance, we take the steps that we need to take to be able to make those steps to be an industry-leading opportunity for the students. And when they leave here, we want them to have the best experience and have that broad experience to be able to pursue whatever direction that they want to go.